Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about achieving flawless large knotless braids. Whether you're a beginner or an aspiring hairstylist, this step-by-step guide will help you perfect your technique and level up your braiding skills. Let's get right into it. For this tutorial, we'll be using 3 packs of 38-inch expression braiding extensions. These provide the perfect length and volume for a full, thick look. Rat tail comb. This is essential for precise parting, ensuring that every section is clean and neat. Wide tooth comb. This would help detangle and smooth out the hair before braiding. Braiding gel to keep flyaways in check and helps create sleek, defined parts. Hair clips to keep sections in place, making the braiding process more organized and manageable. And hair mousse to add shine and sets the braids for a polished look. Properly prepping the hair ensures a smooth and neat braiding process. Start by detangling the hair with a blow dryer and detangling pick to have the hair as straight as possible for neat knotless braids. This keeps things neat and prevents any tangling while braiding. Next, we'll section the hair using the bricklayer parting method. This technique ensures even distribution and prevents gaps between the braids, giving the style a full and balanced look. For large knotless braids, you want to have 2 rows at the nape of the neck for the perfect fullness. First row should be 3 braids and the second row should be 4 braids. Begin braiding the natural hair first, before gradually feeding in small pieces of braiding extensions. This should be about 4 to 5 pieces to create a smooth transition, avoid the bulky knot at the root, and build volume. Once the added extensions are secure, continue braiding all the way down to the end to achieve a natural, lightweight look. Let's go over the braiding process again for the next section. Begin by braiding the natural hair first before gradually feeding in small sections of about 4 to 5 pieces of braiding extensions. This ensures a smooth transition and prevents a bulky knot at the root. By adding the extensions little by little, we create a lightweight, natural look while maintaining even thickness. Once the extensions are secure, continue braiding all the way down to the end, keeping the tension consistent for a sleek, polished finish. Knotless braids differ from traditional braids because you start the braid with your natural hair and gradually add in extensions. Because they don't tug harshly at the scalp, knotless braids promote hair growth while also protecting natural hair from damage. The tension-free technique minimizes breakage, reduces traction alopecia, and allows your hair to thrive underneath the braids, making them an excellent choice for maintaining length and scalp health. Since we're using the bricklayer parting method, be sure to increase the number of braid sections on each row as you work your way to the top. This keeps the style full and well balanced. Keep a steady, even tension while braiding to ensure a smooth and uniform look. No loose sections or bumps. As you go, work in a bit of braiding gel to tame flyaways and keep each braid sleek and polished. If needed, gradually feed in small pieces of braiding hair to maintain consistent thickness from root to tip. For the third row, we'll be working on 7 braids. Remember, the goal is a flawless, natural-looking braid that flows effortlessly. If you're enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on more hairstyling content. Now here's a little question before we continue. Knotless braids are known for being lightweight and protective, but what's another major advantage? They take less time to install, they create a more natural look and reduce scalp tension, or they never frizz or loosen over time. If you guessed, they create a more natural look and reduce scalp tension, you're absolutely right. Knotless braids blend seamlessly with your natural hair while putting less stress on your scalp, making them a top choice for long-term protective styling. In the fourth section, aim for 8 braids to achieve that perfect fullness. Divide the hair evenly to maintain a balanced and voluminous look. For the final section at the front center of the client's head, we'll create 6 braids by dividing the center into 2 rows with 3 braids in each row. This ensures the perfect fullness for your large knotless braids. As you braid, check each section to ensure consistency. Keep the tension even, but don't pull too tight. If a braid looks too tight or too loose, adjust it before moving forward. When feeding in hair, maintain uniformity by adding the same amount to each strand. This prevents bumps or sudden thickness changes, giving your braids a seamless, natural look. A smooth braiding motion will keep everything sleek, polished, and frizz-free. Once you find your rhythm, your knotless braids will be laid, flawless, and ready to slay. Once you're done with the braids, dip the ends in hot water to seal them, preventing unraveling and giving the braids a softer, more natural flow. And that's it, y'all! The perfect large knotless braids, ready to rock and slay. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more hairstyling tips and tutorials. Stay stylish, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.